Keep a running to-buy list. Throughout your day-to-day living, you should have a to-buy list tacked someplace central in your home. If you notice you're out of or running low on something you'll need, make a note of it on the list. Done in this way, you won't have to stress out about remembering all the things you need to buy. Giving yourself the maximum amount of time to plan will give you the highest chance of remembering everything you need. A fridge or bulletin board is a great place to keep it. Figure out everything you need beforehand. Improvising your list once you're out shopping will result in hasty buys and unhealthy choices. You should have a well-thought-out list before you head out the door. Check the pantry and check what's running low. While keeping a running tally of grocery purchases will help you figure out the less obvious things, you can cover a lot of your bases by taking a quick stock of your inventory. Recipes often require several ingredients. It's a good idea to review your planned recipes thoroughly before heading off to the supermarket. Consider the frequency of your shopping trips. Before you sit down to compile your list, you should take a second to think about how often you go to the supermarket. The frequency of shopping trips may depend on your location, as well as your mode of transport. For some people, going to the supermarket can mean a big time investment. If your trips are infrequent, it's all the more important to come prepared with a list. On the other hand, if you're going multiple times a week, it won't usually be an issue if you forget an item or two. Unless you live right next door to a supermarket, you predict when you'll run out of certain supplies. If you already have grocery trips as part of your regular routine, you probably schedule your trips based on how often certain items run out of supply at home. Having some idea beforehand when a certain item will be used up can help you plan your trips more wisely. If you're smart, you'll never run out any supply because you'll be able to gauge when a trip is needed before it runs out. It would be a waste of effort to gauge the restock time of every item in your home. Instead, just focus on a few of the biggest things that run out often. Toilet. Look up coupons and specials. Before going in for shopping, you might organize some of your shopping items based on what items are discounted on that given week. If there is something you wouldn't normally buy that's currently being sold for a steal, it's sometimes a good idea to switch up your buying habits accordingly. On the other hand, if there's a discount for an item you usually buy, you can take the chance to stock up on more of it than you normally would. Please leave your comments or feel free to discuss in the comments section. Your feedback will be appreciated. Thanks for watching.